Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Grandma Lily English. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to do something a little different. I have 50 very important English words for you. These are words you can use in everyday conversations. And I'm not just going to give you the words. I'll give you the meaning, and then we'll use each word in a real sentence. So listen carefully and try to repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's learn 50 useful English words together. Number 1, actually. Actually means in fact or really. For example, I actually enjoy listening to English. Number 2, probably. Probably means most likely. For example, I will probably call you tonight. Number 3, already. Already means before now. For example, I have already finished my homework. Number 4, enough. Enough means as much as you need. For example, I have enough time to finish my work. Number 5, instead. Instead means in place of something else. For example, let's drink tea instead of coffee. Number 6, maybe. Maybe means perhaps or possibly. For example, maybe I will visit my friend tomorrow. Number 7, usually. Usually means most of the time. For example, I usually wake up early. Number 8, finally. Finally means after a long time or wait. For example, I finally finished my work. Number 9, exactly. Exactly means completely correct or precisely. For example, that's exactly what I wanted. Number 10, improve. Improve means to become better. For example, I want to improve my English.
Grandma, actually, probably, already, enough, instead, maybe, usually, finally, exactly, improve.
Excellent, Noah. Very good. Number 11, avoid. Avoid means to stay away from something. For example, try to avoid unnecessary problems. Number 12, notice. Notice means to see or realize something. For example, did you notice the change? Number 13, remember. Remember means to keep something in your mind. For example, remember to call your mother. Number 14, forget. Forget means to fail to remember something. For example, don't forget your keys. Number 15, choose. Choose means to select something. For example, you can choose any book you like. Number 16, decide. Decide means to make a choice. For example, I decided to study English every day. Number 17, expect. Expect means to think something will happen. For example, I expect him to arrive soon. Number 18, realize. Realize means to suddenly understand something. For example, I realized that I had made a mistake. Number 19, believe. Believe means to think that something is true. For example, I believe you can do it. Number 20, agree. Agree means to have the same opinion. For example, I agree with you.
Avoid, notice, remember, forget, choose, decide, expect, realize, believe, agree.
Excellent, Noah. You're doing great. Number 21, problem. Problem means something difficult that needs to be solved. For example, we have a small problem. Number 22, solution. Solution means an answer to a problem. For example, we need to find a solution. Number 23, mistake. Mistake means something done incorrectly. For example, everyone makes mistakes. Number 24, possible. Possible means able to happen or be done. For example, is it possible to finish this today? Number 25, impossible. Impossible means unable to happen or be done. For example, nothing is impossible. Number 26, important. Important means having great value or meaning. For example, practice is important when learning English. Number 27, different. Different means not the same. For example, everyone has a different way of learning. Number 28, similar. Similar means almost the same. For example, these two words have similar meanings. Number 29, simple. Simple means easy to understand or do. For example, the answer is very simple. Number 30, difficult. Difficult means not easy. For example, learning a new language can be difficult.
Problem, solution, mistake, possible, impossible, important, different, similar, simple, and difficult.
Excellent, Noah. Very good. Number 31. Anyway. Anyway means in spite of everything or used to return to the main subject. For example, anyway, let's continue our lesson. Number 32. However. However means but or in contrast. For example, it was difficult. However, I didn't give up. Number 33. Although. Although means despite the fact that. For example, although I was tired, I continued studying. Number 34. Because. Because means for the reason that. For example, I'm learning English because I want to communicate better. Number 35. So. So means for that reason or therefore. For example, I was tired, so I went home. Number 36. Still. Still means continuing until now. For example, I'm still learning English. Number 37. Almost. Almost means very nearly. For example, I'm almost ready. Number 38. Recently. Recently means not long ago. For example, I recently started learning English. Number 39. Especially. Especially means particularly or more than usual. For example, I love English stories, especially short ones. Number 40. Seriously. Seriously means in a serious way or truly. For example, seriously, you should practice every day.
Grandma, anyway, however, although, because, so, still, almost, recently, especially, seriously.
Wonderful, Noah. You're doing a great job. Number 41, disagree. Disagree means to have a different opinion. For example, I disagree with you. Number 42, suggest. Suggest means to give an idea or recommendation. For example, I suggest practicing every day. Number 43, prefer. Prefer means to like one thing more than another. For example, I prefer tea to coffee. Number 44, need. Need means to require something. For example, I need more time. Number 45, want. Want means to desire something. For example, I want to improve my English. Number 46, hope. Hope means to want something good to happen. For example, I hope you succeed. Number 47, try. Try means to make an effort to do something. For example, try to speak English every day. Number 48, continue. Continue means to keep doing something. For example, continue practicing your English. Number 49, succeed. Succeed means to achieve what you want. For example, if you keep practicing, you can succeed. Number 50, confident. Confident means feeling sure about yourself or your abilities. For example, I feel more confident when I speak English.
Disagree, suggest, prefer, need, want, hope, try, continue, succeed, confident.
Excellent, Noah. You did it. You learned all 50 words. And remember, my dear friends, knowing a word is not enough. You need to use it. Choose 10 of these words and make your own sentences. then say them out loud. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed our lesson. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to Grandma Lily English and join me in our next lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up. See you next time, my dear friends. Goodbye.